Today we'll be doing an oil change on a Mazda CX5. 100,000 miles now, so I'll be switching over to high mileage. See that right here. Engine's over 75,000. We're gonna be working out of this slot right here. Gonna take off these screws and push pins. You know what's funny is I take my car to the dealership and look, there's push pins missing. Tells you how much of a good job they're doing. Let's go ahead. First things first, you want to vent the engine so that when you unplug the bottom, it all drains out. And now we have the filter and the drain plug all right there. So hopefully they didn't over tighten this. And then the drain plug is there. Let's get to it. Let's go ahead and take our tools, and we're gonna push the catch pan back there. And let's find out what socket we're. Alright, once you've loosened that nut, go ahead and drain the oil. Try not to make a mess. And don't lose the bolt. That's a rookie mistake. Alright, so the oil's pretty much drained out. I'm going to try to remove that filter now. Let's see how tight. I usually take it to the service center, but I don't want to take it to the service center right now. So let's see if we could loosen it with our hand. It locks onto the filter, and it's got an adapter to it where you put it onto your tool. It goes right in here, and then you see it, make it tight, loose. Let's see what we're at. I'm gonna put there's still oil coming out of that thing. Put it right there. For now, let's catch what is coming out. Okay, after fighting for like 30 minutes to get the filter off, I got it, I cleaned it down. It's still dripping. And come take your new filter with the fresh oil, and we're gonna just put it in here and hand tighten it. So people don't see that it's all you have to do is hand tighten it and do like a quarter turn once it's there. Okay. It's hand tightened, and we'll close the drain plug and we're set. So I filled it up to 4.8 liters. That's what the instructions say. So I'm gonna just pour out this old oil out. Topped off the oil, give it a check it out, make sure everything's leveled, and start your car, let it run for 5 minutes, come back and check it again.